Hi everybody, Vegas and Stilettos here. As you know, my channel has mainly been about dining out. I vlog food. We travel around to try new food, and also vacations. I like to vlog vacations. But I think I would like to expand my channel just a little bit and do unboxings or hauls. I mean, I do these things anyway, so I figure why not try it on my channel. It may last, it may not last, I don't know. But we'll kind of figure it out together. As you can see, this is very, very green. It's a very green setup. If I decide that I like doing this, then my husband will, buy me a true setup, and I will get a true space for a setup. But just for now, I think I would like to do it like this to see if it's something I really want to add to my channel. So with that being said, let's start with a new subscription box. Rocksbox. So what this is a subscription box for jewelry. It's similar to Stitch Fix in the fact that you pay a styling fee. It's $21 a month. And they send you 3 pieces of jewelry. The difference between Stitch Fix and Rocksbox is that you are also renting the jewelry. So if you don't decide to, you can keep the jewelry for as long as you want. You continuously pay the $21 a month and wear it for as long as you want. And if you want to buy a piece, then you can. The $21 that you paid for your styling fee will be applied to your purchase. Or if not, you just send it back and get 3 new pieces. So the box is really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in here. So it says, welcome to the family. This is my first box, so it says welcome to the family, and the pamphlet just kind of gives you information on how to do it, how to return your set, how to keep a set, or whatever. And then another little pamphlet. And then this is what the inside of the box looks like. All right, so let's dig in here. It's a little piece that tells you how to care for your jewelry. And it's all nice. It's in a little burrito like Stitch Fix is. And let's see. Return shipping label for when you want to return the stuff back. So it comes in this little velvety bag. And let's see, what is my first piece? Okay, am I going to have to go on the website and see what oh no, there it is, okay. So it shows you what I've ordered. So this is the Aster Shira Stretch Bracelet Set. I don't know if you can see the little evil eyes there. And the price of this is $38. So if I decided to buy this, my $21 would be applied. It has little, I don't know if you can see that. Focus. It has little rhinestones in there. So that is my first piece. It'll come in a nice little bubble wrap here. So that's nice so the jewelry doesn't get damaged. And then my next piece, my next piece is a ring. Okay, so and it also comes in a little velvet baggie. So this ring is also an Aster ring, priced at $55. I don't know. It's gold and it has little rhinestones in there. I don't know if you can really see that. There you go. Yeah, that's pretty. Little pink rhinestones. And that fits really nice on my ring finger. pretty. Okay, and then the next, I actually like the ring more than I like this. And when I first signed up, I thought that I would like these more, but I don't know. These do just seem kind of cheaply made. I don't know. It's not what I expected, I guess. It's very costume jewelry-like. But this, the ring seems more sturdy to me. So there is that. And then my third piece is Ava Rose, and it is a necklace. Oh, that's really pretty. So it's a statement piece. And then it has the stone, like that. And it's pretty too. I don't know, I'll have to try it, wear it, try it, see if I actually like it. But just upon like first glance, I don't know, I guess I thought it would be a little different. I thought it would be less costume jewelry-like and more high-end. And that retails for $68. I am not sure I would pay for that. I don't know. I do like the ring. So, you know, we'll wear the pieces and we'll try them and we'll go from there. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.